In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a budget using the Monarch Money app. Whether you're looking to get a handle on your expenses or just trying to save a bit more each month, setting up a budget is a crucial step towards managing your finances effectively. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, grab your smartphone or tablet and open up the Monarch Money app. If you haven't already downloaded the app, you can find it on the App Store for iOS devices or on Google Play for Android users. Give it a moment to load and you should be greeted by Monarch Money's user-friendly interface. Once you're in the app, you'll want to find the Budgets feature. This section is where all the magic happens, where you can both view your existing budgets and create new ones. Go ahead and tap on Budgets. Here you'll see any previous budgets you may have set up, which gives you a great overview of your financial goals and spending history. Now let's create a new budget. Look for the option that says Create New Budget and click on it. This will bring you to a screen that asks for a bit more information, and it's important to take your time with this step. The three main things you need to enter here are the category, the amount, and the time period. For the category, think about what area of your spending you want to focus on. This could be anything from groceries to entertainment, or even a more specific area like dining out. Selecting the right category is crucial, as it helps ensure your budget is tailored to your lifestyle and financial priorities. Next, enter the amount you'd like to allocate to this category. Be realistic, but also challenge yourself a little if you feel comfortable doing so. Remember, this amount is not set in stone and can be adjusted later as you figure out what works best for you. Finally, select the time period for which this budget will be applied. This could be on a weekly, monthly, or even a custom time frame depending on your needs. Make sure the time period aligns with your financial habits and schedule, as this will help you track your spending accurately. After you've filled in these details, double check everything is correct, then go ahead and save your new budget. Congratulations, you have just set up a budget in Monarch Money. From this point forward, Monarch will automatically track your spending in this category against the budget you've set, giving you insights and updates along the way. There you have it, a straightforward guide to creating a budget in the Monarch Money app. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for tuning in, and happy budgeting.